My name is Cara Maurizi, and I went solar with StraightUp Solar in December of 2020. We wanted to make a bit of a difference, and we felt like this was a way that we could contribute to making the environment better. StraightUp Solar was one of the companies that was recommended, and once I called and spoke with Kai, I was completely sold. I just felt like the company was great at listening to our needs, working with us to figure out the best solution, and I just felt like they really cared, and they felt very personal and like people and not like a corporation. So I thought that was super cool. I was so impressed with the installation. I was working from home at the time, so I was teaching from home, and I was still able to do my job while they were installing. It was so much faster than we expected. They showed up on the afternoon of the first day, and then they were finished the next afternoon. I would 150% recommend StraightUp Solar as a company. I think my favorite thing is just knowing that your roof is producing energy. I just think that's just the coolest thing, and the fact that we aren't draining the system. We're actually putting something back, and I love being able to look at the dashboard and see this is equivalent to this many trees, and this is how much carbon emissions we've saved by having these panels, and knowing that we're doing that little thing. It just feels like we're a part of something. It feels bigger. And I think more and more people are thinking in this way because we have to do as much as we can now to try to make the world better, for our kids and our grandkids.